Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find OpenEden wallet address on Binance. So OpenEden or Eden token will get listed on Binance, and if you want to transfer your Eden token from other wallets or airdrop, you have to find the wallet address first, and in this video I'm going to show you. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is add funds. You can just click it and then choose on chain deposit. And in the search box here, you can just search Eden, and this one you can click it. And there are two network, Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain. It's up to you. Let's say I want to choose BNB Smart Chain, so I will just click it. And this is my OpenEden wallet address on Binance, and you can copy it or scan it. And if you want to transfer it, make sure you choose the same network, because otherwise your token will be gone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.